If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joey Barrett. Where it's time to plant our summer crops in the garden here in Zone 6 in southeast Wisconsin. I just replaced the old trellis with some 1-inch stock, weaved the wire mesh through it. Trellis doesn't have to be, it just has to be functional. I mean, it's up to you how pretty it is. These were the side beams here that we used first. That was old, like 10 years old. So replace that. That's going to be for pole beans. I'm going to put peppers in this bed, beans in that bed. I got some more beans though going this bed here, or probably that bed there. So once I get that all figured out, and I got yacons to plant, cucumbers to plant in the trellis down there, and some summer squash. So we'll get all that knocked out pretty quickly. Not going to do any tomatoes in this garden. I'm going to do them in the front yard garden, as we're going to heavily focus on beans this year and not tomatoes. The leeks, the Brussels sprouts are looking really good. We planted several weeks ago. Store-bought potatoes are coming up, so that is good to see. That's going to be that might be a bean bed. I've put yacons in that bed a couple of years. Might switch things up here, so we'll get this all figured out. So we're going to start with this bed here. Got the irrigation hooked up and added to it, and we're going to plant some snap bush beans in this bed. It's 8 foot by 4 foot, so I'm going to do a bean every 4 inches around the irrigation system. The bed is getting low on dirt. I see that. I do have a couple of the bed is getting low on dirt. I do have these 2 beds here I could put the soil in, but I'm not going to do that this year. The pop-up raised beds, these have been sitting out for going on 10 years. From rootmaker.com, from myrootmaker.com. This is a 4 foot by 16 foot bed that is going to go beans, and then I'll wrap it with a cage around, or poultry fencing, chicken wire, to keep the rabbits out of it as well. Same procedure, same beans. Cucumbers planted there. 60 yacons, root crop from South America that can be grown in the U.S. Zones 4 and up, right there. Propagated by tubers. Has a propagated by rhizomes. They have tubers at harvest that kind of mimic the shape of sweet potatoes, and have a watery apple carrot, or watermelon apple carrot flavor profile to them. Something we grow and do sell the rhizomes when we have enough of them. Now I'm going to take and plant pole beans at this trellis here, and then put peppers in amongst the milkweed there. There's some potatoes there, leeks and onions down there, so I'm going to intermingle some of the peppers in this bed here. So I moved that trellis to this bed here And then summer squash is going to go in this bed. I simply did that because I got peppers and peppers and leeks and onions in this bed, and I didn't want to have to fence in the entire bed just for the pole beans. This bed here is much easier to fence around, and not that the rabbits are going to affect the summer squash, but it'd just be easier. And then this bed here is going to have a couple of tomatoes in it, and that's it. And then this here, I did the rest of the yacons, and then 2 rows of beans, and this bed will also be fenced in. Just simple planting, nothing specific or in great difficulty. So that's what we've got for our summer garden. Thanks for watching. I'm Joy Baird, and this has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.